Hey guys, I'm Sierra with lifefullandfrugal.com. If you're new to the channel, welcome. At lifefullandfrugal.com, we teach you to live a healthier, happier, more beautiful life on less. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing below. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell so that you never miss any of our new videos. Today we're going to be talking about simple, no-dig herb border beds for the garden. This is something we've wanted to do for a little while, to put in some medicinal herbs, some savory herbs, some things to make tea around the garden, to make sort of a hedge around the garden. Our garden is gated with chicken fencing, and we just wanted to spice it up and make it look a little bit nicer by adding some little herb beds around the edges. One of the most important things that we wanted to do was to keep it simple. In the past, when we've put in flower beds, we've taken a sod cutter and cut the sod out, which makes a really clean edge, but it also takes away about 3 inches of topsoil from the top of your bed area. So it looks really nice and it gives you kind of a blank slate. But taking away that sod also takes a lot of earth away. And so this time we just thought, instead of having to fill so much extra dirt back in, we're just gonna do the no-dig method. What we've done is we've used cardboard yet again. If you missed our last post on making a stock tank raised bed with the Hugelkultur method, you might want to check that out. I'll put that in the cards above. And this is just another way to use cardboard to help you out in the garden. Cardboard is so inexpensive. It's something that most people just need to get rid of or recycle, and you can actually use it in so many different ways for your garden. So what we've done is I went to Dollar General, I got a huge stack of free cardboard, brought it home. So what I've done is I've taken that cardboard and I've laid it along the edges of the fencing between 18 and 24 inches out so that it's not a super wide bed. And I've laid that flat. I've added a layer of topsoil and mulch, and then we've planted our herbs and our tea plants into those new beds. It was super simple, it was super fast, very little effort, not backbreaking. And what's really great about it is you can recycle your cardboard, you don't need a lot of dirt, and putting the mulch on makes it look aesthetically pleasing, but it also helps keep moisture in the dirt. What's really nice about planting herbs and other plants to make tea from is that they don't need super rich soil. They're normally very happy with very junky soil, so you don't need a lot of extra like manure or fertilizer for plants like these. So it's a great way to save time, save money, and not have to break your back to cut out sod. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's super simple, and I hope it inspires you to try making your own flower beds this way. The no-dig method is just absolutely genius, and it's a great way to save money, time, and effort in making flower beds or herb beds around your garden and your home. So without further ado, let's get started. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed that method of just doing a no-dig herb bed around your garden. It kind of creates a little bit of a hedge so that things aren't getting underneath your fencing. It creates some really nice lines and some extra greenery. It makes it look more clean and more beautiful around the edges of your garden. We're actually probably going to add some more mulch to that, but that's what we had for now. So I think it turned out really cute. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're wondering how to start your own seeds, we have a post for that. I'll show you here in the cards. We hope you're finding ways to create beauty in a fun and inexpensive way, and we hope that this really blesses you. Also, don't forget to check the description below for some helpful links and freebies. We've got lots of cool stuff down there in the description. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Just take 1 second and give us a thumbs up. It really helps people find us. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, thank you so much for checking us out. We hope to see you back soon. Happy gardening, God bless, and we'll see you next time.